Oh, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Just. You already know how you guys doing out there. It's been a minute. I know it's been a minute, but let me explain myself. So we're about 220 subscribers in, about 46 videos, and I simply just needed some rest time. With all the business we have going on, with our new journey on YouTube, I just didn't want to wear myself out too thin. So we took a little time off to recuperate, to keep our creatives in, and now we are back to give you guys great detailing content. I am so happy to see you guys. But I know you guys see the title of this video is a full detail on a maintenance client that we had. But what we're going to do right now is we're going to cue the intro, and before we get into that full detail, let me give you guys a transparent story. Alright, so we're back, guys. Now, one thing I want to put out there, we're on YouTube, and there are a lot of other detailers on YouTube that our business respects to the highest. But one thing I want to do different is I really want to be transparent with you guys. You get what I'm saying? Because sometimes when you see detailers and you see people, they don't always give you the bad and the ugly. They only really give you the good. So we're here to give you guys the good, the great, the excellent, but also the bad and the ugly. So let me give you guys a story. So what happened to us, about 2 days ago. So we got a new guy. His name is Tim. He's actually like subcontracting for us because he's looking on starting his own detailing business. So we have him riding with us, just giving us an extra help, extra hand, and it gives him a little exposure in the field. So I had him and my guy handling our second to last car on Tuesday. Because I had to go get some gas and because I had some phone calls coming in, people trying to inquire about service, I took the time to see what my guys could actually do without me being there. Of course, I was present, but I wasn't involved in the detail. So we got the detail squared away. I looked over certain parts, but I didn't take the best look that I could have, and we thought we were done. So we packed up, we left. Tim, that was his last car, so we went about our day. Now, I got a call from the gentleman, and this gentleman is a very nice guy, by the way. Very respectful. He is very, he's very caring, he's very considerate. So he gave me a shout, and he said, "Hey, I just got to my car and I don't like how it looks." And I thought we did a good job. I honestly thought we did a good job, but like I said, I didn't take time to go back and really look at the final product. So right now, I want you guys to check out these photos that he sent us. This is after the detail. This is supposed to be a completed job. So check out these photos and we will be right back.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah. So, he sent me those photos right there, and the first thing, of course, I did was apologize for that. And I took full accountability, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. Though I put my guys on that job, because I am the boss, because I'm the leader, because I'm the CEO, it is my job and responsibility. After the job is done, I should go back and check and make sure everything is up to standard. And because I was so busy doing other things at the moment, I didn't go back and I didn't check. So what I did was I put those photos in a group chat for my guys to see, Tim and my guy Chelsea, and we just talked about it. I just let them know that from the perspective for Tim, I let him know that these are real life situations, and these situations happen to all detailers. You get what I'm saying? And I just told him to use it as a learning experience because he's looking to start his own business, and these are things that actually happen. Me and Chelsea, we talked about it. We talked about what could have been better, And it was a good environment for a good conversation. So what I told them was, I'm going to go back and I'm going to touch it up. So the next day I went back and I made sure that I gave him top tier service, because you have to own up to your mistakes. You get what I'm saying? You have to own up to your mistakes as a business owner. And the best way to fix those things, in my opinion, is getting back as soon as possible. Even if you don't want to, even if you already got paid, get back as soon as possible and handle the job. Give them top tier service. If you can give them little extras, do that too. If you have, we like to give out water bottles with our business on it, and we have gift cards and things like that. Give your clients some extra when you know that you could have done a better job. That's all I really wanted to say. I just wanted to keep it transparent, because sometimes people don't tell you about the good, the bad, and the ugly what go on in their detailing business, but we are the transparent detailers. So I will let you guys know everything that goes on in our business. And of course, you guys see everything that goes on in our business. And if I can't figure something out, I will definitely tell you guys, I can't figure this out. So if you guys have any stories similar, drop some comments down below. Let me know if you guys had any experience of when it comes down to team building. Let me know if you had any experience where customers came back at you and let you know that you did not the best job, but they were nice about it and they gave you guys a second chance. Now let's go ahead and get into this full detail right now. We say it all the time. If you guys have not already, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We try to post 3 to 4 times a week, but hey, things happen. So we're going to give you the best content we can, of course. Now go ahead and check out this full detail.
Evan's made another one. Evans made another one.